A 7.8 earthquake rocked this bridge in Taiwan as if the world had reached its end. Around 200 cars were parked peacefully. Suddenly, the ground collapsed over an area of 200 meters, and one by one, all the cars went into the ground. The scene is really breathtaking. Another scene like gushy flying. A pair of anacondas huddled inside the cave, and suddenly, a huge snake drags them out. The man was eventually pulled over, but the bike was never found. In some rivers, the water current is so terrible that even if there is a bridge in front of it, it is swept away in a moment. What a horrible sight, a mother rocking her little baby in a cradle, and just then, silently, a huge python rushes in, waiting for the prey. It is not at all wise to come and cheer when nature takes its Rudra form. Due to heavy rainfall, this pool is also lost in the river due to landslides. The bus breaks down on a mountain road in the Philippines, and the result is a brutal fall into the abyss. The airplane's tires burst and it skidded towards the runway. However, the crew members display a remarkable teamwork. Nature's magic. This driver proves why some people should go back to driving school. It's like a bike or a full truck. It's really scary. When life gives second chances. It was a terrible earthquake of magnitude 7.3. A wild elephant rampage in India. A second delay could have caused something terrible. No, there's nothing to fear because these two scary-looking macarons are actually the girls' pet macarons. Japan's 10-meter-long rocket exploded shortly after leaving the launch pad. If you look closely at this special species of blue jellyfish from Australia, you will understand that they are not really toys. The scene of the tsunami that hit Peru beats even a Hollywood movie. Hundreds of fishing trawlers were smashed like paper boats in one wave. A rare moment of dolphin hunting that few people get to witness. All fishermen get big fish when they go fishing, but sometimes these big fish become deadly. No, it wasn't a movie scene. It was a 1958 underwater nuclear bomb test, where calm water instantly turns into mountains and sinks the ship too. Imagine how big a snake would require an excavator to catch it. A huge swirl of water is born in the ocean. It seems that it will drag everything around it into the deep darkness. When the king of the jungle is sitting on your head and you are traveling through the jungle with him, what a thrilling moment you can imagine.